What's going on, YouTube? You're watching ExquisiteMAD. Be sure to like and subscribe, and remember to hit that bell. Today we're looking at something a little bit different. This is a 2008 Police Interceptor. Now, a lot of you are kind of wondering, well, what's the big deal about a Police Interceptor? Well, it's a pretty cool car. It's got a lot of horsepower. It goes very, very fast, and will pretty much give any exotic car a run for its money. Not saying it'll beat it in a race, but it'll give it a definite run for its money. This is a course this did before, and worked a few hours on it, to say the least, and there's the results. And of course, they're quite exquisite. So if you're interested in having your automobile or aircraft detailed, please contact us at 1-800-292-2341. That's 1-800-292-2341. Or you can go to the website at ExquisiteMAD, ExquisiteMAD.com. You can go to the contact us form and you can get in touch with us there. So be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell. When you hit that bell, you're notified of new videos just like this one.